Let me show you how to set up an Acorns account. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video on how Genic. Acorns is a money app that helps you save and invest automatically. It is designed for beginners who want to grow their money without needing to be financial experts. In order for you to set up your account, make sure you download the application onto your phone and then open up the app. Once you open up the app, you're going to be straight taken to the login page. Now, instead of the login page, you'll need to tap on the sign up option, which is on the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the sign up option, the first thing you'll need is your email address. So type in a valid email address where you can receive and send emails. Once you add it in your email address, tap on continue with email. The second step is going to be to create a strong password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. Once you've now created your password, in the next step, you'll need to add in your phone number. Once you add in a valid phone number, a 6-digit code will be sent to the mobile number. You just need to type in the code right here and then tap on confirm. This way, both your email address and phone number will be verified. Once you complete this step, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts where you'll need to enter in your name, your address, and your social security number. You'll also need to add in a government verified ID so that Acorns can verify your identity. Once you fill in all of your information correctly, your account of Acorns will be successfully created. You can easily link different bank accounts and then add in money into the Acorns platform. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.